Hi, in this video I will show you how to recover your Facebook password without having the email or the phone number. So if you forgot your email or the phone number of your Facebook account, or in some other case maybe your account got hacked by someone and a hacker was changed your name or the phone number from your profile, and now that was your personal account, you want to recover that account but you are not getting the exact video. So in this video I will show you step by step how you can recover your Facebook account if you, without email or the password. So let's start the procedure. So first of all, try to enter your older email or the phone number and enter the older password and click on the login. If you won't find like this, simply you can click on the forgot password, and here you have to enter the mobile number. Maybe hacker not yet change your phone number, or try to search here. Once you will search for it, uh, if you will find it then it's better, otherwise go back and you have to create a new account, or you have to open some other account. So once you will do it, I simply log into my other account to give you an example. So right now I am on my other account. Let's say I want to recover this account. So simply you have to search for the one account you have lost. Here you have to enter the username of the id, and once you will search for it you have to copy this link. Right now I am on my laptop, but you can follow the same procedure for the mobile. I do this on my laptop for your better understanding. So copy this link, and now you have to go back and click on the logout. Now what you have to do is simply you have to click a new tab, or you have to simply go to your Chrome browser and you have to search for the downloading and accessing Facebook information. Search for it. Once you will search for it, you will see a link on the top. Simply you have to click on this link, and here you will see multiple options. Simply you have to click on the account access and the troubleshooting, and you will see a new menu is popped up on the below. Simply you have to click on the my account has been hacked, tap on it, and you will see a link is here. Secure it by going to help center, tap on it, and you will see a blog here. You also see a hacked account, and here you will see two options. uh, First of all you have to try this one. You have to click on the get started, and here you have to someone else gained my account. No, I can't log in still yet, so simply click on it. Here you have to give the other option, like do you have access to the phone number or the email associated with that email. So select no, I don't have access to the phone number or the email. Okay, now they give you a link, log out of the account you are currently using and visit the link. So first of all you have to log out from the account and click on the new tab. Now it will asking again your phone number. So here you have to enter the 16 digit code that you have copied from your profile and try to search with it. Okay, please identify this account another way. Please identify your account using email or a phone number. So this trick is not working. So now you have to uh, click on the get started from the other section. Here you have to click on the I think my Facebook account was my friend Facebook account was hacked, and it will now you have to click on the visit this page, and here you have to click on the my account is compromised, tap on it. Okay, here you have to enter your phone number if you still remember, or you have to simply enter the 16-digit code again and click on the search. Okay, it will again give you an error. Okay, if you still want get access to your account, and search for the I can't access my Facebook account, search for it. And once you will search for it, now you will see a link on the top. So here they will give us steps to recover your Facebook account. So try to recover your account. Go to the facebook.com/login/identity and follow the instruction. Make sure that you use a computer or phone that you have previously used to log into your Facebook account. Search the account that you want to recover. You can search for account by name, email address, or the phone number. So let's try with the phone number to get back your Facebook account, and follow on screen step to reset the password, or you can simply recover your Facebook account. Okay, now we can simply go to the facebook.com/login/identity, and it will redirected us to so again enter the 16-digit code and search for it. Now you can search with the name. So maybe you will find okay, this is my account. Here I will find my account. Okay, now you will see your account is here. Send code via email. So no longer have access to these, so tap on it, and here you have to enter I can't access my email account. Okay, account access not possible. Unfortunately, we are unable to give you access is that you are trying to, because this is because we can it belong to you, so we may hide the information on the Facebook. If okay, learn more other ways, tap on it. If you remember the email, then it's better. Maybe they will give you an account. Upload your identity. Now from here you can simply upload your identity to make confirm that was your account. So once you will upload your NIC, maybe they will get your account back. So right now you can try this step, maybe you will get back your account. So this is the procedure to recover your Facebook account. Try this trick, maybe these tricks will work for you, and let me know in the comments. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.